Friends, this is our normal TV unit. So today I had made some changes in my TV unit, so that I am going to show you in this video. So here you can see now I just turned on my LED TV switch. So now you can see what changes I have made. So I had added RGB strips to my TV background. So this looks more attractive than before. So you can also make your TV unit more attractive like this by adding RGB strips. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Inc. I am Durgesh. So now I am going to explain you how I installed all these RGB strips. So basically our TV size is like 65 inch. So I have ordered 5 meter length of RGB strips. So according to your TV size you can order. Okay. One good thing is like for this RGB strip you don't need any separate power connections. Just from your TV only it will take 5 voltage by using USB port. That is very big advantage. Here you can see the package, what company I ordered. Here it is mentioned 5 meter. As if I said, around 2000 it is written, but I got it for lesser price. So this is how I pasted. Here you can see by that strip only it is double side gum tape is available. So you can just paste it. That's it. So you can change colors. There are 3 buttons available in this strip. So you can change modes, then brightness you can change, color you can change. Then if access strip is there means you can cut also, no problem. Then cut and reuse also you can do. But I have pasted there only. So instead of cutting. So here you can see many colors I am changing. According to your convenience you can add which color you want. This is very simple. You can see just I have connected USB port. From that on it is taking supply. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.